So this venture capitalist has, he's got some money, and he has 3 investments to choose from. I'll do the first investment in blue. First investment in blue, a software company has a 5% chance of returning. Okay, so I'm going to do my blue situation here, and I probably wouldn't write the table for all these, but I'm going to do it just to practice for you guys, because you could straight up go to your calculator and calculate the expected value, but I'm going to write it all out for you. So looks like he has 3 outcomes that can happen. He can either get $9 million profit, or he can get $2.5 million profit, or he can lose his $1 million. So if I'm going from least to greatest, the first outcome would be the loss. So let's lose $1 million. That sucks. But obviously, that's a possible outcome. And the probability of him losing, he's a 54% chance of losing the $1 million, 0.54. I hope that $1 million is not his life savings. Okay. He could return, he could get back 2.5. So let's say that's a possible profit, which has a 0.41% chance, or 9 million profit. That's pretty nice. That's an outcome. And he's got 5%, of course, 5% chance of that happening. Whatever. Let's do the expected value right away. The expected outcome for this, I'm going to multiply each of these and then add them up. So I'm going to have the negative 1 million times the 0.54. I'm just going to go plus. I'm going to go vertical because I'm going to do the other tables here too. The 2.5 million times 0.41. So I think doing it this way is a little faster too. Or the 9 million, 0.05 chance. Let's see what that is. Where's my calculator? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would do that just to make sure I have all my zeros. Plus 2, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 times 0.41 plus 9 million, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros behind that times 0.05. What does he expect to get? Ooh, he's expecting profit on average 935,000. 935,000. This is my first expected value. Second company. This is number 2. Number 2, second chance, second company. Let's do that. Now, you see why I don't necessarily need to draw the table to do the expected value. I'm just drawing the table for practice for you guys, but you don't have to do that, right? So he's either going to get $10 million profit, 14% chance. That's a higher probability than that one. But let's see, 18% chance of returning 500,000 profit, 68% chance of losing the $1 million. So if I'm going from least to greatest for my outcome, 68% chance of a negative $1 million income, $1 million situation. The next outcome is 500,000. And the probability of getting that profit was 18%. And then $10 million. I guess it all depends on what and then 14% chance. So this is a higher probability of that. Let's see the expected outcome here. I might not write it all out, but I'll write out the first little bit. 1 million, the negative 1 million times the 0.08 plus, and then the last one. I'm gonna cheat and just go straight to this one. And you guys can go ahead of me if you want. Times the 0.14 is, I don't know what this expected outcome is. Negative, parentheses, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure I have 6 there. Times 0.68. I'm assuming you guys are checking my numbers, okay? I'm making that assumption. Sometimes I might type too fast. I don't know if the calculator is moving as fast as we'll see. 10 million. 4, 5, 6 times 0.14. What do I expect? 729. So far, the first is better. 729,000. Yep. So far, the first option's better. I expect more on average. All right, let's do this one in purple. I think there's one more, right? The third company, a biotech firm. And again, I probably would not draw the table. I just go straight to the calculation. But I'm doing it for practice and for you guys, for your notes. So either 14% chance of returning 10 million, 30% chance of no profit or loss, okay? 56% chance of losing million. So I have a $1 million loss, 56% chance of that, or nothing. No profit or loss, 30% chance. $10 million profit, 14% chance. Interesting. I would expect this. I'm thinking this might be a little better than that one. Let's see. So either I lose $1 million. I guess you don't necessarily have to do all the times, what was it, 0.56 plus 0. I'm going to put it in just to show you the process, but 0 times 0.3. But obviously that part's not going to affect anything. Plus, and then the 10 million. 10 million. And I think, what, 14% chance. And this one has 84, yeah, 840. So, blah. 840. I expected it to be a little better than this one. I wasn't sure if it was better than that one. So, I would say that the first investment is the best. The second investment is the second best. The third investment is the second best, and then the last one. So I would go 1, 3, 2. So first, third, and then first, third, and then second. Yeah, you know what I meant. Oh, from smallest to largest. Woo. Hold on a second. Make sure that, here we go. I'm like, which is the best one? The first one's the best one, but order from smallest to largest, okay? So my answer here, ordering from smallest to largest, I'm gonna write it out for you, would be smallest is the second, and then third, and then first. And they have it in words, but okay. For some reason, I thought they were asking me for the best investment, but no. They're asking me for just to list the outcomes. Just list my expected outcomes from smallest to largest. Okay? So obviously read the question too. Because I jumped to the assumption, tell me the best one. That's what I would want. All right, wait, I'm going to stop recording.